Welcome to the video demonstration of email and SMS functionality in the SchoolBag application. SchoolBag is an integrated suite of solutions to manage and administrate the information on educational institutions and multi-campuses, empowering small to large schools, engineering colleges, universities and distance education with real-time data, up-to-the-minute statistics and information accessible from any computer, anytime, anywhere on the internet. To start with, its ability to provide parental access to their children day-to-day information like assignments, academic reports gives utmost satisfaction to parents and gives lot of value and recognition to the institutions. Its alert-based component can send important and time-sensitive information via text messages, that is SMS, and email to subscribed parents, students, teaching and non-teaching staff. You can send email and SMS payment reminders for school fees and other purchases such as uniforms, books, transport and so on. Implementing SMS and email technology offers growth in efficiency, responsiveness and performance for institutions and makes students, parents well informed and up to date about matters related to the institution or organization. To send the alerts, first select the type of alert and then the recipient of the alerts. There are two types of alerts, general alerts and few-due alerts. The recipient of the alerts can be students or parents or the staff, depending at the time. The general alerts can include attendance alerts, absentee alerts and grade alert, promotional events alerts and so on. The users can be searched using any of these options, be it grade and team-wise option or name or admission number-wise option. Grade and team-wise search option displays the list of students, their parents and teachers assigned to that grade and team, whereas admission number or name-wise search option displays a particular student, his or her parent and teacher associated with that grade. Supposing all the recipients, that is the students, parents and staff are selected. Let me now select the options available to show you how the alerts are being sent to the intended recipient. Here, let us send general alerts to the parents and staff. A list of parents and staff members will be displayed when grade and team option selected. Note that the parent and staff belong to that grade and team only. There are three operations available. You can select all the recipients by clicking the Check All button, or you can deselect the recipients list. After selecting the recipients, click the Submit button. The Submit button leads you to a Compose mailbox. Here, you can send the alert either through email or SMS or web by selecting the checkbox available besides the link. The web alert option displays the alerts to the users, be it student or parent or teacher, when they log in into their SchoolBag web application. Type the subject line and message and then send it to the recipients by clicking the Send button. The alerts are sent successfully to the users. This is how the SMS and email alerts are sent to the users. If there are any other constraints specific to your institution requirements, we will be glad to make our software fully customized as per your needs. Thank you. For further information and request of demonstration, please mail us at info@schoolbag.com.